Hi students, today we are starting phylum Vertebrata. Vertebrata is divided into two divisions, that is Anathostomata and Gnathostomata. I told you eta means present, stoma means mouth, a means absent. So inside the mouth jaws are absent, they are known as Anathostomata. Here Gnathostomata, inside the mouth jaws are present. Gnatha means jaws. Here jaws are present, here jaws are absent. Now we will see the difference between both of them, Anathostomata and Gnathostomata. Here presence of vertebral column, here also presence of vertebral column. Here absence of jaws, here presence of jaws. Here paired appendages are absent, here paired appendages are present. Now Anathostomata include only single class, that is Cyclostomata. Cyclostomata means mouth is present in the form of wheel of cycle. Cyclo, wheel of cycle, stom means mouth, eta means present. Now here we can see this is Gnathostomata. You can see how jaws are present, gill pouches, nerves, fins, vertebral column, anal fin. These are muscles, trunk muscles, this is stomach. These are Gnathostomata, means jaws are present inside the mouth. Anathostomata, this is lamprey, nostril, jaws are absent. Eye, you can see buccal area, buccal funnel, gill-slits, dorsal fin. This is anterior dorsal fin, this is posterior dorsal fin. These are muscles. Now class Cyclostomata, body long, elongated, fish-like, skin soft, slimy, smooth and without scales. Mouth is round, that is in the form of wheel of cycle. Mouth is suctorial for function. Suctorial for function means for sucking, without jaws. Ectoparasite, they stay outside the body of the other fish. Single and medium nostril present, means holes of the nose are known as nostril, they are minute. Respiration by gills. Endoskeleton cartilaginous, means made up of soft bone, heart two-chambered. Next, development direct or indirect, aquatic, fresh or marine, free living, example Petromyzon. Cyclostomata, you can see mouth. This is suctorial mouth. It is specified for the sucking and it is in the form of the wheel of the cycle. Now Gnathostomata is divided into many subphylums. These are the organisms or vertebrates. They have the presence of jaws and they have paired appendages. And this subphylum is divided into many classes, that is Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. These both are classes of Pisces or fishes. Chondrichthyes means cartilaginous fishes, Osteichthyes means bony fishes, and cartilage is soft bone. Amphibia, bia means organisms or animals which are staying at both the places. Amphi means both, water as well as on the land. These are reptilia, creeping animals, they creep, रेंगने वाले animals. Apes यानी birds. Mammals means they have presence of mammary glands and they all come under the category of tetrapoda. Tetrapoda means 4 legs, they have presence of 4 legs. In coming turn, we will study about all of these one by one. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.